It's not a song, it's not a vow, it's just the way you say right now. The way you laugh when I feel small, the way you catch me when I fall. It's in the sounds that aren't too loud, like footsteps home or hearts unbowed. It's you and me in morning light, the coffee brewing soft and bright. It's simple moments wrapped in grace that make the world a better place. Love sounds like this, no need to try. Just every day that you walk by, no symphony, just truth and kiss and quiet proof that love sounds like this.